Hi, my name is Linda Mitchell. I live in Sienna Plantation, and I've been a patient of Dr. Dyer's for 5 years. I found Dr. Dyer on my own on the internet. I was looking for a periodontist because I had very, very bad teeth. And when I came here, I didn't know what to expect. He explained everything in detail, from the scans he took, what I should do, what I shouldn't do, and the outcome was just what I was looking for. I felt comfortable because I get IV sedation because I'm a very nervous person, and through the whole process, I had no problems at all. The office staff with Dr. Dyer are wonderful. They answer any questions you need to have. They make sure the appointments are on time. They call you to remind you. They do a wonderful job. Dr. Dyer has helped me to get my teeth back where they should be.